This is the absolute best tool to tweak and configure Windows 11 and actually so much more. This is ChrisTitus's WinUtil, and the way you run this is actually really easy. All we do is we copy this one line of code. We're just going to click on Start, type in PowerShell, run as administrator. This is important. And then you're just going to paste in that code and hit enter. Easy as that. We can see the ChrisTitusTech logo here, and then it opens up a nice GUI for us to use. In this GUI, we can install, tweak, configure, update, and even create our own version of Windows installer without all the extra bloatware. So going through the tabs one by one, we have the install menu where you can very quickly and easily scroll through here and find things you'd like to install, like say maybe you just updated the computer and you need Steam. We want to add Chrome, and then we want to add 7-zip. All we have to do is click on those three to check them, and then click on install or upgrade selected, and you're good to go. Next is the tweaks section, where we can go ahead and tweak our actual Windows installation and the way it performs, including disabling telemetry that sends information back to Microsoft. We can disable activity history. We can disable game DVR, hibernation, all this good stuff right from this menu here. Once you've made your choices, all you do is click on Run Tweaks, and it will configure that for your system. You can also choose standard selections, and it will choose all the standard selections that it believes would be good for your system. Next, we go to Config, and we can see all the configuration options we have. We could choose to install Hyper-V virtualization, all the .NET frameworks, and even enable the legacy F8 boot recovery menus and such. And all you have to do is click on Install Features. There's also some fixes here if you have any issues with your Windows installation. We have some system corruption scans and things like that. And then access to legacy panels like the old printer panel. You can bring up the old printers and devices panel here and configure everything just like you used to. If you go to updates, this will change the way Windows actually updates on your machine. So out of the box is the default way that Windows runs, but the security settings will actually delay feature updates by, this is actually wrong, I think it's 1 year, and install security updates 4 days after they're released so that they're properly tested before it actually releases on your system. Then MicroWin allows you to create your own version of a Windows ISO installer with a ton of features. I'll make a separate video on MicroWin because there's a lot that goes into it. But yeah, this is one of my favorite new Windows 11 tools. Lets you do so much in terms of tweaking, configuring, and quickly installing things that we use pretty often. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,